Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Let's get you some opinion that we got from Taher Badshah, CIO Equities at Invesco Mutual Fund. We were speaking with him earlier. He says that he will be looking at getting a chance to build positions in mid-caps and small caps in the days to come.
Compared to the situation, what was about 6 months ago, at the end of calendar year 2017, when mid-caps and small caps were on a roll, I think the main deterrent was basically valuations, and at that point in time, valuations were completely untouchable. Since then, we've seen a fairly decent amount of correction in the mid-cap and the small cap space. The index itself has corrected quite meaningfully, and then individual stocks have done even more so. So I think now at least we are in a position to assess some of the companies that we liked earlier but were unable to buy. We'll get a fairly decent chance to build a position in the mid and small cap space for an eventual return target of 2-3 years and beyond. Pharma is still evolving. We still feel that it is work in progress kind of sector in a way, and a few things are falling into place, but not all of it. When we analyze, while the headline numbers in some of the large companies which have reported and even some of the mid-sized names have been pretty good compared to the previous few quarters, but the internals don't look as strong, and vulnerability remains with respect to pricing going forward, as well as uncertainty around new product launches. Still concerned about supply additions running well ahead of industry demand overall, and that's something which is constraining us from looking at this sector very constructively. We have seen some stocks, especially in the mid-cap cement space, even correct. So maybe there will be a point where we will probably find them attractive. We are happy to look at it. We are monitoring it, but they are still to come to a stage where we can kind of override the uncertainties around the business by the valuations that they offer us. Insurance, we've kind of valuations at one level are not understood, and valuations at another level appear to be very, very optically expensive. So to that extent, we find it difficult to buy. We found it difficult to buy some of these names, even though we like some of those businesses, but we are kind of constrained. We've focused a little bit on general insurance, which has kind of given us returns, but even there now valuations are becoming a little bit of a challenge.